Struggling to find the right mobility support as a taller individual? The best Rollator walker for tall person offers enhanced comfort, better posture, and improved stability, engineered specifically to match your height and stride without compromise. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. HOMLAND Rollator Walker. The HOMLAND Rollator Walker is an ideal solution for taller individuals seeking dependable mobility support with a strong focus on comfort and safety. Built with a reinforced frame and double support bars, it's engineered to support up to 350 pounds while maintaining excellent durability. The Rollator's thickened tubing and robust construction give it a solid, stable feel during use, whether you're maneuvering indoors or exploring outside. One of its standout features is the adjustable seat and handle height, accommodating users from 4'7" to 6'6", making it a great choice for tall users who often find standard Rollators uncomfortable or awkward. The breathable backrest and generously wide memory foam seat ensure that longer outings or pauses are restful and supportive. Safety hasn't been overlooked, with a comprehensive system including a reliable 3-mode braking mechanism, a pinch-proof folding design, and soft ergonomic hand grips that reduce fatigue, ideal for those with limited hand strength. Additionally, reflective strips boost visibility at night for added peace of mind. Its large 8-inch puncture-proof wheels perform smoothly over different surfaces, making transitions between pavement, grass, and indoor flooring seamless. Despite its solid frame, the HOMLAND weighs only 20.4 pounds, making it easy to fold and store in a vehicle or compact space. This Rollator proves that you don't need to sacrifice convenience for strength and support.
Number 2. VOCIC Rollator Walker. The VOCIC Rollator Walker offers an impressive balance of comfort, durability, and convenience, especially well suited for tall individuals needing a reliable support system. Crafted from thickened aluminum alloy, this model weighs just 19.4 pounds while still supporting users up to 350 pounds, ensuring it's both lightweight and strong. Its design includes a unique 3-second quick folding mechanism, which compresses the walker into a compact size, 31.5 by 23.6 by 13.8 inches, perfect for tossing into a car trunk or storing at home. What truly elevates this Rollator is the bionic seat design, an ergonomically shaped 1.6-inch thick waterproof seat that relieves hip pressure and outshines most standard thin-seated competitors. The breathable, widened backrest adds to the comfort, offering real back support rather than just a decorative strip. The VOCIC walker is also equipped for all terrains, thanks to its large 8-inch puncture-free wheels. With a grippy tread surface and 360-degree rotating front wheels, it glides over bumps, uneven sidewalks, and slick surfaces with ease. Safety is a priority, as evidenced by its highly sensitive 3-mode braking system that provides reliable control whether stopping suddenly, slowing down, or locking in place. The ergonomic handles are easy to grip, even for those with reduced hand strength. Reflective strips on the wheels and storage bag enhance visibility in low-light situations. The VOCIC Rollator Walker is a strong contender for those who value portability and support, especially if you're taller and need something that fits your frame without compromise.
Number 3. Drive Rollator Walker. Designed specifically for individuals 6 feet and taller, the Drive Rollator Walker blends functionality, style, and comfort in a lightweight yet highly stable form. Its tall aluminum frame offers robust support for up to 350 pounds while maintaining portability and ease of use. This Rollator truly caters to the tall user with its extended handle and backrest height range, helping maintain posture without slouching or wrist strain. The Rollator's standout comfort feature is its extra-large padded seat and wide contoured backrest with the built-in viewing window, offering both visibility and superior comfort when resting. The adjustable height backrest can be tailored to suit your individual support needs, making this model one of the most customizable in its class. Its standout 10-inch front wheels are significantly larger than many standard Rollators and excel across various terrains, from smooth indoor flooring to rugged outdoor surfaces. These wheels offer better obstacle clearance and reduce jarring impacts. In terms of safety, Drive has incorporated an enhanced braking system that includes 3 modes: free roll, deceleration, and park. The integrated downhill control feature is especially helpful for those navigating slopes or curbs. Whether you're heading to the grocery store or taking a stroll through the park, this walker glides with confidence and control. It also folds easily with just one hand, making transport and storage a breeze. For tall users who need comfort, mobility, and durability in one reliable package, the Drive Rollator Walker is a top-tier choice that delivers across the board. Number 4. Walkmate Rollator Walker. The Walkmate Rollator Walker offers an excellent solution for tall individuals looking for a customizable and supportive walking aid. With seat height adjustable in 3 levels and handle height in 5 levels, this rollator suits users from 5'3" up to an impressive 7 feet tall, making it a rare and valuable find for especially tall people. Built from lightweight aluminum, it weighs just 17.2 pounds while supporting up to 300 pounds. The wide, thick seat and plush backrest provide a comfortable rest when needed, while the hidden brake wires enhance both the visual appeal and safety by preventing tangling or snagging. One of the most notable features is its oversized 10-inch front wheels with an anti-skid tread pattern, offering excellent grip and support on various terrains, including pavement, grass, gravel, or even light snow. The dual braking system is intuitive and secure. Simply squeeze to slow down or push down to lock when you want to sit. Safety reflectors on the wheels and storage bag further improve nighttime visibility. The foldable design is compact enough for small car trunks or narrow indoor storage spaces. It's equipped with a detachable storage bag and cane or umbrella holder, allowing users to carry essentials without needing another bag or backpack. This rollator offers an impressive combination of adjustability, safety, and terrain handling that tall users will appreciate. Whether walking long distances or just moving around the house, the Walkmate delivers steady performance with thoughtful design features tailored to user height and comfort.
Number 5. Drive Compact Folding Rollator. If you're a tall individual who also values portability, the Drive Compact Folding Rollator is an excellent pick. Despite its ultra-compact size and lightweight frame, just 15.4 pounds, it supports up to 300 pounds, making it both sturdy and travel-friendly. The standout feature of this model is its ultra-slim folding mechanism, which reduces it to a size of 14.9 by 9.25 by 25 inches, small enough to fit in closets, car trunks, or even airplane overhead bins. Its adjustable handle height ensures a comfortable fit for taller users, offering an ergonomic grip that minimizes strain on wrists and shoulders. The padded backrest and wide seat provide much-needed comfort for breaks and rest, and the easy-to-engage parking brake allows for safe sitting anywhere. Though compact, this walker doesn't sacrifice mobility or terrain adaptability. Its 8-inch wheels are designed for smooth indoor and outdoor performance, handling transitions between floor types with ease. Whether you're navigating crowded airports or walking in the park, it's smooth and easy to steer. The aluminum frame feels solid without being cumbersome, making this a great everyday walker. While it may not be packed with extras like oversized wheels or can holders, it excels in what it's built for: convenience, reliability, and user comfort. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.